So I roll out now.
Yeah. When I walk in the street, you know?
Nice neighborhood, man. Some of these houses are small and built on themselves. A capital land?
Well, it was capital land, but now it is now an estate. It's sold out to the people who are using it, you know?
Okay.
Government raise the house on it. People own it
Government
now.
give to them.
Yeah, rent. No, government sell it to them.
Yeah.
Jamaican people, you know?
Yeah. A taxi one of them this?
No, this is no taxi. Virgin car, you know? You know the taxi, right?
There's a van like this one. Man. I just,
This?
I see like this me one.
how much this cost?
You get them for like around maybe like on 200 an hour, man.
No, man.
Or 250.
No, man, you're not.
Eh?
They're not down there, no.
Anyway then go, man.
I this no want no. I must sell it.
I don't want to shoot you, I can't tell you about selling, let me shoot you. I want to knock it down now.
Yeah, man.
You know, I sell, man, I don't feel so you can't tell me about it.
I just sell the coat that.
You look man saying this is
When look man test him, I tell him.
Natty.
When look man test him, I tell him.
Yes, man. I said the natty. Give thanks, yeah. I'm blessing. I will bring some book for you, I have some book. Some real. Yeah? Yeah, man.
I just got to go say.
And we are say, you're the welder.
Yeah, man.
So we say the good life, you there in Jamaica for how long? All the life?
Yeah, man.
You travel?
No, in a trouble yet.
But you love Jamaica.
Yeah.
Why? Why them? Why you love?
Jamaica is a place like this in a way. You can't hungry. Anywhere you go, you can get fruits and you know, and we loving and kind people, you know. That's just how we just live for one another. Yeah, man. So can't perish.
So are you a spot this?
No, my spot over there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm a neighbor.
Are you a car?
Yeah.
How much you pay for a car like this?
Yeah. And carry are going 8.
800,000. Brand new?
No, man.
Second hand?
Yeah.
The one you're ready, you know? And something like this you have to deal with, you know? Yeah. Them you can't do. It's high up, right? For the store?
Yeah, man, this one, yeah.
Yeah.
When I said that,
Why are you?
the windscreen.
Yeah, man, I got change them. I got change them Tuesday.
Oh, I remember how to do it, I see, you know.
And when he was telling me, he was telling me I'm not seeing it. So if you come room, and I go back to see them. I got told.
See the straight turn there. Straight turn. Good life. See it? Dog have good life over there, so. You see how them are relax. That one there the real thing, man. And the real thing. And the real thing that.
Everest. 1 year. Eh?
Hey, that car, the real thing, you know. You can't do it, you know.
Nice.
You can't do it, you know. We get one of these, we're gone, you know.
Gone.
We're gone, you know. Sleeping at the back.
Yeah, we're gone. Just drop your seat.
Yeah. Them drop all the way back?
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
Drop forward.
When I meet that friend, that friend will go down for me. Yeah, man.
We have some music. What you like? Dennis Brown or Greg Isaac? Who are your favorite?
Eh?
Dennis Brown, D Brown or Greg Isaac? Who are your
Why
favorite?
share them a good artist, you know?
So I have some music for you, you know.
Yeah, man, share them a good artist.
I'm going to set you up with that. I'll give you some good tune. You see me,
Yeah,
Leroy Smart, Tenasa, all them on there,
You
yeah?
know, on gospel?
I bring gospel. I bring gospel. I bring gospel.
Yeah, man.
I got the gospel for you. You see me?
I mean, it's kind of the gospel, man, you know, but the all the artists and the culture,
Yeah.
yeah, me listen to them.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
yeah. I got you.
Alright.
A really nice gospel for you.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Alright, I'll move.
Alright.
Now,
while, as the big man said, you wanna go to somewhere so
Yeah, man.
turn up there, you know.
Give thanks.
You want me to clean up your vehicle?
A good life for say, you know.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
we are going to cook and come back over here. That's all.
Alright.
See?
Yeah.
Come in.
Self-reliance, highest level. So we'll go print out the list of the book. Up on the iron one. So you can make me a protective case.
Anything you want, man.
What you say, you know?
You lock yourself away.
Yeah. You don't want the girl to come here and teeth up my things. You have to make a case. Them come in and everything, laptop, everything, passport, everything in the case. Money, everything in the case.
Like I want to see it.
You go work on them.
Yeah.
What's the carrier?
I mean,
Tomorrow what?
I tell you something.
Tomorrow what day? No, not around here, so I need to have a meeting with all of them. Yeah, early.
Yeah. Check out church, man.
Are you wife this?
Yeah, man.
My wife never take care
sell
of
on the
him.
market.
Him turn dirty and workless.
I would buy a beer from me
Look
today.
upon him, come upon him, workless dog. Yeah, my wife save him, you know. He would be nothing without his wife, you know.
But you know, on a serious level, you have some good woman will take care of man.
Yeah, man, a man like this too.
You see my father a crook, you know.
Yeah.
If he never married my stepmother, you know,
Yeah.
he'd have not a house.
No.
Not even a house.
See there? You don't end up in a gas station and pump gas for the rest of his life.
Just it, though.
And she upscale him, man. Make him turn into a man.
Discipline him.
You know, because he wouldn't have slippers that fit in neither. See, they're just dirty and smelly. If I never for your wife, so you must give thanks. Yeah. Yeah.
See, so what's up, Chi, you know? And that's what's up. Don't put it on it. Don't put the camera on. Me a fast profit.
Yeah, false prophet.
It look like, you know.
Yeah,
It look like. It have a look like it.
Yeah.
I think it's also a little broader than that.
Yeah, man, that's how it's there.
Yes, man.
The good life. So the people that live. And every time you hear Jamaica say, don't go back, go leave Jamaica, can't go back. Look at the people that live. You see nobody get gunshot since we start work?
No, sir.
You see the people that relax.
Yeah.
Anybody ask you for money?
Everybody buy one a card. Today I send everybody a worship.
Yeah.
You know that straight up.
People live them life, man.
Club shit, everything shit.
Hey, me see that car, they ready, you know. You see the blue one, it ready, you know. A car like that, you know. That little car, they can't do, you know.
But you want if you don't take care of it,
Yeah.
it's a go left.
Yeah.
I bet I will be clean.
Everything you have to take care of.
I wish it by that. I didn't have a 2 months yet.
Yeah.
Not 2 months since right yet.
Rasta man.
Up here, I said, I'm going to meet.
When the ex-brethren did that sell it, and then selling it. It must spray something.
So we set it up.
Yeah.
And them look like them strong, you know. And don't you see them make them? Eh?
No.
China?
Don't make a Jamaica man.
Oh, I look at store this.
Things make a Jamaica man.
Yeah.
Umbrella. Yeah. Make bubbles or something.
If you go buy something, no? Good life. Lime still our work?
Lime?
Like the lime flow, lime.
Name flow, you know.
Yeah, them change it.
Lemon and name flow.
Them get rid of the name lime.
Then they use lime and flow.
So people build them house themselves.
Yes,
Keep there. No stress. No rent. No for them down pay no rent.
people left me come here already, you know. Only when they're mad. Wait it mad. They send money back in the world to build your house.
Yeah.
And every time they send picture, they send picture, you know.
Yeah.
You understand it? Take picture of people building, I'm going to show them and say, yo, this here. When you come to the house, so they're dead. People mad. People dead, drop them and they can't kill them. No.
The estate set away.
If you send,
Man, shop,
if you buy a piece of land and you send the money, come give me to build your house. When you come and Jamaica, I'm say your house done, your house done. Yeah, because I'm not trying, you know. God forbid me not run. I'm a wanted man. No, don't run. I'm not run, no.
a full house here, on top.
Yeah?
The right one.
Yeah, no problem.
Who's the guy now?
Okay.
How are they a big entrance, you know? Pokey better have on him clothes, you know?
You see, you got to talk to a while ago. You see, yes, sir? Where we're walking on now, pink garage. This was where the garage was. But when you see
Pokey houses?
When you see one at a time, you have to go around and this step on time, and this land there.
We are about to enter the house, the place of the superstar. You call her already?
Call him long time.
She say him there?
Yeah, man, I had one.
Dog there?
Me no dog in there, no.
No pork dog come back,
I
you know.
must walk it, I must walk it.
Them dog they must be fat, you know, eat a lot of pork. Put on your clothes, we don't want to see nothing unexpected, babe.
Yo, come bust this guy. Alright.
Burn the thing, Jamaica. Good, you see the green?
Yeah, man,
See the green. Pokey, put on your clothes, we don't want to.
yeah, man,
We don't say go walk around naked all the time. We don't know that today.
yeah,
What there?
yeah, hi, baby.
See
what you doing?
Yeah.
We should have walked around naked, you know.
You need sister.
Where you go? Look away.
You don't want to go.
Are you a complaint post? On the beach, when I beach time.
Show how the magic work to
Are you a
that.
complaint post?
Today.
You're not cooking today?
No.
You must have a cooking today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put everything in like fridge.
Okay, are you a complaint?
Are you back there?
You know.
Want to see the star, yeah? Everybody wants to see it, you know.
I
you
want
right,
to tell me
please?
this man yesterday. Facebook.
Who said that?
A bunny.
Eh?
It's funny.
You know bunny.
What's your name?
Bunny.
I work for the wedding place. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Me show him.
I want to put you in there, that's why.
So what you gonna do?
I just want to cook, man. I say you cook.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, this is the legendary place. Hey, we have to steal thief some of them wood to breadfruit, you know. Are the good lad?
On the beach time, yet?
We'll cook the rice and peas. So, I come eat with me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. No pig today, please. That's Sunday.
Feel tired there, man. At 4 o'clock, I'm going to bed this.
Where I do up so late?
No, I saw me stay up there on the road and I think it worked fast.
And that's what it's fine.
Mm-hmm. Worked up fast.
Where you get them wood, yeah? You go for them yourself or?
So buy them.
Yeah. How much you pay for them?
All them, you know, 2,500.
2,500? 2,500 for this. 25 euro. 3 days?
Yeah, the man got the most.
What's that to me?
I'm trying to buy one.
2,500, expensive, no? This is used for do the place nice, man. I love the place.
They're nice on this hand.
What is it?
They're nice on this hand.
Hanover? Big house?
2 floors.
Hanover? You have empty room in it? So you don't care?
Yeah, that one. But
No beach near it?
yeah, but you pay. Beach there, man. Beach there.
I come rent it from him, man. Hanover, I never really reach Hanover yet. I food over that. I food.
You remember the first time bus?
How old is it?
My brother. You know him.
Okay. So people around here so just them capture the land and then build on it. You buy up back here yet? Guess on now, sir?
True things. True on the mountain. Mountain side.
Yeah. So everybody just build up on things.
I'm supposed to only run
You run out the whole place? What years you come?
But now I was 91.
Yeah.
Me there was 8 years. 8 years.
2010 you come. Are you build it yourself with man?
Yeah.
So-
Buy one old piece there and change it out. 1 roll. I mean, my husband when he left. So I left everything game. Start my life all over again.
And start do your pork.
Chicken.
You're a real African though,
Yeah,
right?
sure.
Which part of Africa you come from? Them
You
not
know,
tell
so me
me.
don't know.
You're strong man. We love you man, I love you because you're real people. That's why the people them love you man. Them a go love you, you know. Them a go love you, you know, Pokey. Hey, them a come Jamaica come. What happens is every time we film people and people like them, then them want to come see
Yes,
them.
me know.
Them want
Me
to come
know,
see
man.
them. So expect,
I hope that me want to come. And which part of America?
yeah, New York, Brooklyn.
One lady give me a number and say I want a Jamaican restaurant up there. Same time I get a visa, I call him.
You'd have mash up the place. People would have done top by from him.
Yeah, and so I call him. But I go look what the passport, I go get here.
What them say?
That them fi call me. Everything process, man. I just them fi call me when you done.
Yeah? You save up your visa money?
I don't lock long time.
I know say I have enough cash in the bank. If me ever hungry, me I come working, me need money for food, you know.
But I can't pick the take out.
But you only have one.
One have?
I want you have.
No, sir, 6.
And them live here, sir?
3 when you used to live with. Yeah, so me and this girl are there, no one next to me. I mean, I'm going to catch me, you know, me just throw back
Some money I put you.
Maybe go a road.
If you go road today, will you wait for me?
No, I feel tired, so I say me now.
So, you work hard. Anytime in this year, you just...
Me
Cause
feel tired, me just take me bed.
When you get up in the morning, what time?
6 o'clock.
6 a.m. till what time?
Till me start work from 6 till 1 in the night, 2.
From
3,
6
left,
a.m.?
Left to hold the road stay. Cause by the time I finish, so me leave out at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. You understand? So, by the time I catch a road now, say 3 o'clock. I left out a road till them bad 2, 3, 4. It's kind of fast, slow. So, me do like say 40, 50 pound of pork, 8 or 10 chicken. It depends. Weekend time I can do 10. And you know must sell off neither. I have to do it from early. If me go out them a time, I better for me. If the police say not give me no trouble and I can go out them a time, it better for me.
Why?
Because you catch lunchtime. Break like lunchtime, who want lunch. You understand? So, yeah, goods we keep you for lunch, yeah, goods we keep you for evening. You understand? If 2 months, you have to do enough.
From 6 till 3 a.m.
Yeah, man,
And then you come back, you go sleep and do it
by
again.
6 again, me gone again.
3 hours, 4 hours
Yes,
sleep,
man.
that's it. How much years you there? 8 years?
8 years. And take your mind pitney. Berry pitney, they are going to shoot one of my son.
How old was he? Sorry to hear that.
26.
He was okay. What was going on?
Then they shoot off the whole family.
What?
They shoot off the whole family.
Which family?
My son, father set up people them. You understand?
It was a war.
Yeah. So them say a war, but him and them no in a but through in my family. And him only the man we left. Because they kill them off and left only one man where they know we come back at them.
I see.
So then get rid of him. But the killer then dead. He kill him.
So when war broke out at Jamaica?
Yeah man. No a gun.
What am I running gun, you know?
I don't know laughing thing, man.
No, man, the mash it all night.
Shut me, man. Shut me, man, and make it dead, man.
If you do something, nobody back done, I'll mash it.
No, man. Shut the man.
Mash it, man.
Yo, when you have the mash it, you think different.
When are you going to dry quick? Me never like to put no towel. Me no like it.
No, it's not alone, you know. I'm going Don't chat me, man. And the SQ left all on them, man. They don't mash shit.
If a man
You can't run the left mash it, but you can't run the left gun.
What I say, listen up. If a man
That's why go in your yard, go wait for you.
No, listen up.
Pen you in your yard.
Yeah? If a man knows you have a gun, he'll kill you if you get the gun.
You tell him.
You understand what I say? Whenever you mash it, man, business you mash it.
Oh.
Every man have a machete in the house, you know. Every household will have a machete now.
For first time, man have the machete and they gun, you don't see them.
No, man.
For speed barrel. No, them have gun when in this one 10, 15 shot jump out.
You're not going to have a gun. Let me just stop you now. Alright, learn this now. You see the real gun, man. The real shatter. The kind of slam gun, you know.
Shoot big.
No? No, you're not seeing gun none time. See the angle, sir? You're dead. So you can't
You're seeing gun, man. I didn't tell you saying don't shoot. You say alright, wait, me soon come back.
You know, the gunman not tell us so.
If
The gunman not tell us so.
yeah, man.
No, man, the real gunman not tell us so. He soon come back.
So 3 kind of man there. One.
The serial killer, one kill for money, you
Yeah,
kill family,
yeah.
everybody by
You get paid for kill.
And one come just rob you and if you're bad man, he shoot
You
you.
show it,
and
yeah.
And if you're free,
And one just back you up on road and take anything from you. He man no killer. He just take away
Just
just
rob you.
but if you're resisting, kill you.
he kill you.
If you know it, you kill you. If you know it.
Alright.
If you know it, they kill you.
He woke me up in the morning.
You were never
serial
one
killer.
You were
Yeah,
never
man. You were not one of them.
No one.
The last time,
Yeah, man.
Come on,
and the bike they don't take away. And they don't want to bike this up. They have
You have to
15
take a
bike,
taxi
10 bike
from the house
in the yard.
straight. Jamaica, good life.
You know, say you're the passing son.
Yeah?
What a pass, my son. Oh, the thief back coming. It's a thief, huh? Yeah, this is whatever.
You have the big head, you know. You have the passenger big head, you know.
You need to be
You know, my family have big head, you know.
Black pass and father and son in our
And the Rasta man there.
boy turn China, man. China, boy go over there, China.
China, we will have cheap girl in there.
Ay. No, man. It's running. Huh? No, man. He used to work for part-time. He used to be my chef for part-time, no. He used to be my chef for part-time, man.
Okay, you're rich enough. Are you out there?
Right. They're going to pork stand. Ask him to buy pork from him.
We buy pork.
Ask pork him to buy pork from him.
To come.
Yeah, man. At first, the place me stop, you know.
What's the... I'm sure. More time I put it. More time I
That's
put
how
it.
we meet. But the rest of our name, Rockstone,
No.
Concrete, you marks for me? But go check concrete now, I'll go check concrete.
What do you concrete?
Rehab Sunday, what that?
The best dashing is dry land dashing.
Yes, man.
Water, that's in him have.
Water dashing no good, man. Don't drink too much water now.
So you say you kill them right now, you kill them friend and come back home to let them know. And you see how long the boy dead.
Funeral long less,
I'm putting out a go on. Putting out a proceed and a pass.
Somebody died,
Every day them there.
so the casket money man make money.
Master got a day money there.
The money don't want.
You better go up in your follow down there.
All the Jamaican them are going so. Window tinted, you not get no ticket for your tinted windows.
Yeah, private car. Taxi. Try to tax man.
Good life. So the man them stick you up and you just say, you know.
Give them money, man.
So how you feel about that now? Or you?
I just disappointed in a certain way to know say me was black man. Brother, stick me on the remote.
Did you have any therapy on the matter?
You know, so when I see you slowly traumatized me for a while, I say, yo, you think how me shake me up, man.
You smoke
Mentally. We never mentally stable again.
Smoke some good herbs.
And you said to come?
Oh, I didn't hear the episode.
Oh, good luck. I was happy in our heart.
Good on, Vijay.
Always on in a Pokey. She work and build her house and just come back and drop down.
You know, so I go there one party and the whole them build the family stew. Then like house. And the lady stand up there and make me tell the lady some lady take picture. You just ask it, just me not like picture, no take me picture, no take me picture. You frighten me, you say, man, look. I'm happy.
When they got that.
Okay, I want the one in the village where everybody afraid of. Yeah? I like my grandmother, you know.
I want to fear this man.
I like my grandmother, you know, strong, you know. I have 14 picnic, you know, I carry my shit at 4 a.m. in the morning. You know, if it's the real coconut rice, you have a greater coconut chef, you have a great dirty boy now greater coconut, but in China.
No, greater running.
Yeah, man, greater than them.
You see him short change all this time.
You have to be careful, you say. But I don't want you to get jerky.
Dirty boy.
We're not that sure, no. We're not that sure.
Pokey have to come, but Pokey are the team member too.
Yeah, get a break today.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, relax.
Yeah, but Pokey are drive him car though. So Pokey just drive him car.
This was our coconut?
Him never want great type though.
No, man, we don't need them style. You know, say I read way now.
It's a Vitamix, you know the Vitamix blender?
Yeah.
Put the coconut in there with the water. Strain it.
In the blender at all.
But no, the Vitamix different, make it more horsepower. 700 or 70,000 feet. One blender.
70,000.
7,000 feet blender.
7,000 or
70,000.
Warm and it cold.
In it? 70,000 for one.
That's what chef have. 70,000 blender Vitamix. And touch your skin so much, you know, because it's a bump up, you know, be careful.
Yeah, man, me have unsalted, man. Unsalted.
Nah. 3 hours. 3. Fine. What's that chicken get on? What's that chicken get on?
Seasoning, yeah, we are all purpose.
And chicken.
Yeah, Maggie them.
We just get some more people.
You want them?
How much chicken?
No,
How much piece of chicken?
no, only chicken.
What's that chicken get on? How much that chicken get on?
And the one that we have, man.
MSG night, Pokey, MSG night.
I'm not gonna.
Everything I mean. So you don't use enough, you use a little bit.
So very
I go report to you now.
Black down the factory.
And there's something I going on, Manchester. Yeah man, good in 10, Craighead, up there sir. Mile Gully. No MSG up there sir.
So we have put
They never cook. They cook them pot.
Fit
They
and
love broke kitana body.
Remember, I know, remember to wear 2 burgers, you know. And you know, say, if you head that, you want call me around, come, you know that. I'll not come from here, come to get on.
At 2 pound of fish with just slice it.
You know, Mr. Do. You know, say, Peter, I call me and say, the hot team, I go run grown, and ask them what you need.
them youth, you know, them bike, them move too fast, you know. They must raise the bike gas price.
Sweet,
You know?
cannot. They must
They
start
move
by
around like they might go
They
somewhere.
must start by them down. Can't find them rider.
Yeah.
You know, tell them bike kill.
You see me I drive for my license. You see the man who came in, every time the man came in, I sit down in front of him, I sit down on the side of him there. And I never say, give me a drive. You know why? I'm not jumpy. You understand? I want to see how him drive on the road. That means when we go on the road, me know exactly what to expect. You understand what I say? Alright. And you look, you observe.
Me tell a man say, nobody don't let me drive.
Nobody not teach if you drive. Never to learn again. You know, that's how I deal with dirty people. You know? You hear him say?
Yeah,
You hear him say?
Yeah, man.
Fix him good enough. Don't make him do that again. Nobody not learn me to drive. Lick him now the next time.
Yeah, let them in, man. Sit them on.
Dirty people.
The man said to me,
Yeah, I'm license 1 year before I go on steer.
Alright. You what?
I've been license 1 year before I go on steer.
Yeah.
And the first time I go on over, see the park up yesterday.
Alright. Where the avenue near?
Palm Avenue, man.
No, where this your name?
Palm Avenue.
No, where this your name?
This is one name at all. My number name is
Come
So
on.
this a Palm.
Yeah, Palm Ganso.
You have to find out.
So look here.
So
This a Palm. This a soul.
Let me take a cab more and tell them. More and tell them.
This a soul.
More and tell them. You
This
see
a
me?
Soul Avenue, not a Palm.
Dog, you look like you're falling now. Blessings to you.
Look, you see them at hard time, my breed.
Time not paying, man. Time not paying.
Man tap near my receipt.
Time still not paying. Man can't tap now, so time not paying no time at all.
Palm and something. When I call the taxi, come a Palm and boom. Palm Avenue.
I'm looking for someone for that and that taxi.
Pokey, where the street are name? Where the street are name?
What happened on it?
You know, I mean, I know. I'm asking people they will live panic.
I don't know if I'm come back. But I'm come back. We're not for that.
What do you mean? Don't follow your man, man.
I'm going to
Come, daddy, come, you come. Make him gala, make him
go. Squidly.
watch and see if him wanna go.
We can't go if we're not going.
You don't be complaining, you know. You don't have to cuss, you know. That's what I'm with the lady. I see one man, I go turn off.
We're not lucky, man. No win, man. We're not lucky.
I make up the way too. I want less man for you, man. Keep going.
Nick, yeah, man.
We have to do 2 chicken.
Yeah, we have 2 chickens. Oh, good one. That is a rejoice, man. Make everybody come.
Me boss up
Everybody
the
come,
man,
man.
sharp.
Make everybody come. This is a nice, good life. And we have more people to celebrate the good life.
So meanwhile,
You know, we need, and we can look some domino. You know?
You can't want to see me.
Yeah, and then what now is that we need some cheer.
So you are going to do the juice, right?
Yeah, man. You're blending. You're pleased with the sauce. Yes, man.
Need some cheers. Because a good life I celebrate with the neighbors then. Goodly neighborly. You see Pokey there, the superstar. Star the show, you know. Real African. Lily Crescent. Lily Crescent.
Lily Crescent. Remember that now?
Lily Crescent. Fear done every day, you know. Every day. Hey, we don't buy no bulla yet, you know. We have to buy some bulla for the good life, you know. We don't buy no bulla yet.
You're just right, you know. I'm not saying I'm going to lick in your face, yeah?
Don't worry about the disrespect, Rasta. You know, some of them have to protect you. Isn't it?
Move your brother. Look, you can't control that.
Food soon come, yeah.
I well up now. We'll start now.
Yeah. You see that? Good life, that. Make the people them know where I live.
A woman like this, I want to marry.
Oh, like, okay.
What's what the man kill me? No, man, I mean like a woman like this, me want. Marry that woman away. You don't have to worry about it. You understand that? You don't have to worry about the woman.
What kind of worry you worry about
like,
woman when you worry about man?
No,
I remember say you have a woman, so what try you say now?
You messing man.
We can't just go international.
You messing man.
Dirty people don't know open them out all the time, fly come in and they not even know say fly in them throat. Watch yourself, my dirty
You
out.
messing man. You messing man. You messing man. It's when a woman can handle herself, you don't worry about them.
Hey, my baby mother like that, you know. She talk. And she teach me how to drive, you know. And she teach me how to drive. But me show you, I say, man.
They're serious man, you know. You see a woman like this now, all they have to do is just give her money and everything alright.
Me just give them, me give them something else, you know. Me not give them money. Dirty people need to learn. Dirty people need to learn. You need to learn, dirty people. You know, if you give one money, you give them something else, make them feel happy. You see, once them happy, them say, them will give you for them money. You say, you want shirt, brief, tie, what you want? You want shoes too? You want something to go to the club to hang out with your friend them? You have to make them happy. Because once them happy, you happier. Hold this. You set up the gate. Alright, so the crew there, want to take a picture. Take a picture behind the car. Come on, Pokey. Take a picture yourself. You're a superstar. The whole Jamaica love one know. Starring Pokey. Dirty people them. Dirty people them. You never left the store, man?
No. You going now? See and go see a river here people.
River there on yourself?
Which
one? Which river close there on yourself?
How are you going?
I go to the 31st, but when you want to make a river there, you have to make it. And at the morning and we go. If she gonna make a river there, make she make the river there.
Yeah, man.
She have to take.
We gone long time. No. Another time we are talking about the day. That's Sunday.
But you always at work.
Sunday come? Probably not. You're there Sunday come, sir?
No, I'm flexible, you know. 31st October, I go back up, you know, so we're good. So anytime, if you want to schedule something, just. Which river nice? Blue Hole?
No, man.
Yeah, man.
Big water, brother, go choke off out there.
But I love that, you know, okay.
Yes, man. Alright, so it's a Sunday run river. One chicken going in over.
No, cook it two chicken. Cause you know what go happen.
Watch it. Kitana.
Bunny.
So we don't call one here and tell them to cook.
No, listen now. Bunny, Nadisha, Nick, me, Scott at 5. You, 6. Kitana, 7.
Show them that I pork.
Where boyfriend you are?
Here,
Where boyfriend you are?
I go cook.
He make 8. When you bring a water then. Sabina, but you're not smoking the house.
No way you don't say no more weed.
You're not smoking no man, see me man.
I don't know where I'm going weed.
You're not smoking at the house. You're not smoking at the house. Watch it. But no man. Smoke with my man. Where you want to chase
I go hard in here.
Where you want to chase her?
Hey, Pokey, I live where I try to live, you know.
Pineapple juice.
I live where I try to live in a Pokey, I don't know.
Pineapple juice.
Give me the boom.
Boom. Where boom the ramen?
Water, me drink still now, but see water the part time. Give me water.
Pineapple juice enough.
No, give me water. Water better be when you drink it, bro.
Cold water or warm water?
You want that?
Water.
You want guinea hen bush and honey.
Guinea hen bush.
Inside the sand.
So you know about herbs, too?
You couldn't get
that.
Yeah.
What Guinea hen? Guinea hen happiness.
You want one bag around me and right now, drive.
You're down here, yeah, alright. You want no?
I will teach you about the herbs. Pokey, I will teach you about the
You're
herbs.
a country woman, how are you?
Hello. Learn some for this girl.
That can't be the code that carry out a door.
Hey, you can't use a chef knife. I want to dirty boy. Dirty. So lick in my head, you get a head lick for that. Slap him in the head. Take off the hat and slap him in the head.
Next time do it.
Take off the hat.
Next time, first come on him.
Him get a warning him get. Cause he might use a good expensive knife to bust up the knife. Like saying no sense.
It's nice. That's what else I know is nice.
Eh? River near it. Well, come on your yard, you know. They give you the key for Hanover. That's not on the way to Manchester.
We rent it out.
You rent it out?
That's not on the way to Manchester at all. That's on the way to Mobile.
Alright, later when you cook the onion, we can drive up.
We're going to the beach.
Go beach, everyone know when I go check out beach.
Where you want to go?
River.
Come on, the river can't make it there.
Come on there and carry it down there some from from. I am here.
No, come to the river today. No, come to the river today. I'm not going to work.
How time you go?
Evening, I'm not planning to the river today. That's the thing about it. When you're planning something, you're not planning to find your budget. See?
So Porky have to smoke your weed and drink rum first.
Come on, the chicken at tower. We must say peace cook already.
That's good one.
Alright, so we get chicken tower and then we season it up.
So you not pour me a glass, Porky, you not even say. Me know you're selfish rum drinker and you not even say anybody want Me don't like them selfish country people rum drinker, you know.
I drink that man.
There's a funny place how they push them kill and feed them. And nice. I'm a nigga that taste and buy that, you know. Soon as we find somebody who remember I got me gone, you have to leave me yard, you don't get a yard. You think? He mix up here.
Yo, mix
What
up.
you put that great time, man? Get
We're
it,
watching the cook that great time. Have a good life.
Come and jam down for you, no pot milk.
You know, pot milk. It have something
Not that.
You know, have nothing nice.
We no response in a strong, we water it down.
So where in the country? What country you grew up in?
Blackness.
What the name of
Burn Savannah. Froome. Where the estate is.
So where is the what is the name of the parish?
Westmoreland.
Westmoreland.
Froome.
Wow.
Here and in Froome.
What's
No,
some-
Westmoreland right down
Don't
there. I
know,
find Cabaretta River.
enough river.
Sir,
So you love river?
you bad it grow me. Bad. You know, used to drain it. We used to running river. You jump off and kill this, you drown. Long water.
Yeah.
Yeah. That me used to.
Crayfish and
Yes, man. Now you're the talk and long slide
yeah,
and
man.
deal.
You make soup side or river side
Master
and
God.
the sweetest thing.
You're going to
Deal.
video next week.
Yeah, man. We go. Hey, the reason I stop here so long because it's like it's spirit, right? We don't know.
We have to go get one little bus.
A little bus for all the way.
Yes. We plan a river trip.
Yeah. Why a little bus? You mean with the picnic too?
Yeah, man. Carry everybody and cook.
Yeah.
Cook at Riverside when you turn Cook at Riverside. Have everything seasoned for overnight.
Yeah.
Cook, no problem.
How much the bus cost?
We'll
That
check
deal.
you out. We'll check you out. And go cook.
Big cookout.
Yeah. Cook at Riverside, can cool.
Yeah, focus the shop. We're going to get a little
And
bus.
we jerk.
Jerk, chicken,
And jerk pork.
and pork, and we're going riverside.
You not get the real jerk
We have the beer them already now.
No problem. Yeah, we not get the real jerk pork yet.
You mean say where
Patch was pork you get from me.
you sell to people them where
I know the real one. Pat roast jerk that.
the one where you go cook on the real thing.
I real thing.
So you keep this the best for the last.
Because now we know if we do that.
And you go river go do it.
We go a river go do that.
Is that van you want?
Yes.
That van out there, so we just give man come money and take the whole van.
Thank you.
So now she has said we have to go get a van.
No man, anything you got to work.
And she said we're going to cook a rib.
Mayonnaise in there.
Who buy that? Are we did buy it? Are you buy it? Then give me one number like one of people are selfish, you know. Let me taste the thing now, man. I mean, not here. Dirty people, them, you know.
Dirty people.
Hide all is a hide food.
Yeah, if I'm me buy it, if none of me buy it, we buy it whenever I come out.
Where did they?
In every.
Dirty people have live good life.
You know if you do?
What's it?
Look your visa and make you go away load of wine country. Here. That's the video. I hope you know a restaurant up there. See one chef there and see one here. You know you have two raw chef here. A mad money egg what they gonna make. You think I drop me make?
Yeah.
Every 3 months we come up and make you make mad money and come down.
Get on a visa, man.
Chef now have him already.
A toast.
No, you want to remember about the children.
Jamaica good life.
Don't remember about German man here.
What Phoenix man? Come on, somebody be bar already. In the kitchen. And you look like you want nice you.
No, look here. No, look here. Me.
I like these people with their face miserable.
Me.
Yeah, man. Me like that, man.
Me.
I can't manage it.
Me.
If you want to sing for them,
What you want to buy?
yep.
Listen message.
Doing it too. Are you very bad? Who more time people they get?
What is this I love me? If I'm a pastor, I'm going to go. I'm not going to go.
Yeah, I mean, I like it. You want?
So you're a Taurus?
Me rolling there up here, me and you rolling there, I see him one.
I'm here 7, that's why we're close. We're close, you know, that's why energy close. That's why I see him and know, say, I only
You
that
don't wipe too much, right? I put on some people ass.
I only that the
And then everyone. Now make it wipe soft, you know.
So me and you and her are the same energy. I only that one yet.
You know,
You know, sir. It's for me to do now.
go get one.
Make the blend everybody in the drink. 5 minutes to blend.
I'm going to put you in.
I chef what me that this is.
Yo, the red sorrel there, dangerous, you know.
It's not bad.
I should shut it
You
down.
should have got making Congo. It's bad, man.
I work it on it, 20
But
more.
when you see I don't
That's not 18.
Yep, just 18.
You see I don't brother king one.
Yeah.
Make sure you take care, don't make the man them jump on it, you know.
Can't tap them, man. So they make
No, the part ain't can't talk. Part ain't can't
I think
talk.
we taste no bread coffee and bread, you know, go train the beer. I don't give a
No, not breed yet.
Yeah, we go to college.
Not breed yet.
Me and college money put on inside already.
Good mother.
I'm working on this one.
I already.
That's why the people in my world love you, you know. Maybe don't know when we do season 1, them are gonna say around there, season 2 there. Send the money come! We not sit up on YouTube and watch all year Randy. Send out for the next season there.
Send the money come.
Send the money come. Send a donation. Send the donate button. Donate if you don't want season 2. If you want season 2, donate. Come here buy plane ticket, cook food. You think say them just buckler red stripe, them free? Them red stripe sorry yeah?
Back it up it up.
You coconut cost money, avocado cost money.
Everything. So what's up?
So what's up?
Expensive.
See what we have here? And salted.
So what's up? Expensive.
I'm not talking about what season 2 there. What season?
Start butter though.
No man, answer. Too much salt no good.
I think
How are you cut up at?
Too much salt no good.
Hey, you want to say that chef is good for the cooking, you know. But him just need to learn the health part, right? That's why I have the book them for you. I don't like dirty people who cook dirty food. The food tastes good, but the food kill you.
Yeah.
We
Slowly.
what we
But
MSG.
Fatty.
MSG, no, the dirty boy go to the supermarket and buy coconut oil. I only coconut oil me. And then
A python.
They say, no, we just go back to the oil. You never tell me say one coconut oil. It's a back to the oil.
You know you get a real coconut oil in our market.
The real thing there,
But it's expensive.
see that's why dirty people, them not tell me what the good thing
The
them there.
real coconut
No,
oil.
Randy.
And
Randy.
it
You never say
over,
one.
listen up,
You
it
know.
over Balamaster.
You know, balance it up.
But the old pan the road,
Balance some more. Balance cost some money.
Listen to her, man.
the old pan the road. In the market, the people them they sell it by the bucket. Very expensive.
I don't know more. Taste
Alright,
it.
that's it.
And it good for your drink with garlic.
Coconut oil and
With
garlic.
real coconut. This one with them boil,
Yeah.
good with garlic. Bunny with the garlic and tea teaspoon.
So you grew up with your grandmother, she teach you all about the herbs.
Yes.
Everybody, all the good
Herb is good.
Una senti.
So you see ganja the boss now.
Yeah man, in Jamaica, right?
That was worldwide.
The boss worldwide.
That was worldwide.
Jamaica ganja gone out,
Yes,
cheap out.
no.
I want to make it up. I want to make the money.
And the government they go make you money.
no.
Time they go buy you cheap
No,
probably and sell
no.
it to you foreigner then.
No. But listen up to that there. Ardisha talk about it. Minister of Agriculture, they say I want to spread it out.
Yes.
So the ganja thing not for the big man now. It's up to look a small man. All you need to get registered.
Oh, so then people are going to really make some money.
So once you get registered, you deal with it and them deal with it you go. And you come and buy back from you, you know.
Made the best farmer
And
win.
then deal with no man. Don't buy everything, man. The rest of the ganja make medicine.
No man, they must test them the best grow get sell. Some man now go do
They
them
put too much
things.
chemical in our things them.
Come on,
When
come
they
back from
don't
everybody.
process them they
Granted,
when
come back
they
from
don't
everybody.
process them not no left. Fraud left.
From when they call it health after some medical reason.
Hey, Pokey, enough man, I'm afraid when you see the video, I want to come marry you, you know. You better tell them your phone number, your email, because the way you...
No, give them, you idiot.
Come on, Mark, come on.
No, let's say you I know say you do it. It don't want anyone contact Randy.
Yeah,
And I said Randy,
contact
sell
my
them.
boss.
I said Randy, sell them that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Contact my boss. I am my boss.
Yeah.
But tell them like your skin nice and you can cook and you're happy.
Yes, sir.
Enough man, they're foreign, them unhappy with them wife, you know, because them
Ladies,
wife
they
can't
can't
do nothing.
cook.
Can't
They
do
go in
nothing.
a fast place.
Eh.
No, the Germany, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, take 60 up in, a people have fried chicken, right through.
Yeah, there.
Me go like after 12 to 1, and we get fried chicken.
And it tastes good.
Tastes good one. The
top, yeah.
Jamaica have the best fried chicken.
When you have KFC, you know, you for after effect in a remote.
Not sure.
One bitrish.
After taste, if you say, my head's licking at your head, but you're a woman, so I'm not going to lick you. Dirty people, you must say after taste.
After
No, you
taste.
say, you sure something.
Why?
That's what dirty people
Why?
talk.
She said after effect, it's nice.
I said dirty people talk.
Yeah.
Of course,
Yeah.
yeah.
That's what dirty people talk.
You can't
That's
tell
what
what
we
to do. We are talking too much.
talk. Dirty people. That's what we talk.
Let's try clean on up.
Hard to clean up.
So you can't go on the iron bird. So me up on the iron bird. Randy, come back here, sir.
Yeah.
The thing I move.
Yeah.
Easy. Randy, the ring and flap. Them just have to sit out. Easy now, easy. Randy, some are blow here for me, it cold. Easy. Having fun. Randy, me not put on no seatbelt. I'm gonna drive where I drive.
I drive.
I just put on the seatbelt. What did I do there? You can't do little me body can't fit. We say easy now.
I say bathroom then the
Easy now, Pokey. Easy now. I used to when Pokey go get a little turbulence. Why not?
I like me sit down side my head full up in the lap.
That guy.
Listen on.
You hide my face.
You hide.
Yeah, probably catching me drop
You
asleep.
don't want to see
You drop asleep.
Me no want to see what me take.
Yes, sir.
I go open the window.
You don't feel it about
Look here, if you wear that box there, I'm not sleep. The man,
Mr. P.I. Shet.
I'm not shit, man, see everything.
I tell you how me fly for me ever shit.
I want.
Can turbulence though? Say Jesus Christ.
Hey, Jamaicans, nobody know. Let me tell you 2 places Jamaicans are pussycat. Let me tell you. On a fast minibus, you see the one of them a pray.
Yeah, man.
You see when the man must step on it, and just quiet and calm like a mouse. You know one fast taxi? Put them up plane and shake. Put them on a plane and shake. You see the Jamaican them. Lord is my shepherd. Put a bad Jamaican man, gun and everything. Put it on a plane and make it shake. Go down. Lord God, boy, you think going like a little girl. Eh?
My gunman no one dead.
Why them no one dead? Why them no one dead?
And them one kill.
Me don't know why. Me not a good man, so me don't know why them want to kill me. Me can't tell you.
See, the first thing
No,
you
no.
call Van a lad.
The first, I know.
But you hear me I say no. Hear me I say no.
Everybody
Everybody.
feel the same pain.
Everybody,
Them heart then just
No,
get.
no, listen.
Everybody feel the same
No
pain.
man, some feel more than some, you know.
Listen, what you want me to do? What you want? This is the gunman in my
Cause you used to be a gunman, tell me.
No.
Don't not them.
Never used to be a gunman.
That's why we call you dirty people.
Never used to be a gunman, and I will never be a gunman. But here I am now. You should never try to kill people, then you know where you feel like.
I blend that.
You understand me? I say,
Put this up high. Oh, you want to not boil them.
when people not kill people, they don't know where you feel
You
like.
drop no iron in there.
So then the best way nothing. Remember, you pain when you feel pain, you know. We can't pain when you feel, you know. Come in and feel.
Yeah, well, most of gunmen, them, you know, them get raped in a jail, you know.
That's why they come out for free.
You see in America, when a man turn bad, I rape him, go jail, go get raped, you know. You see when them man they ready to kill, I know nothing. Most women in a life where you say vicious, abuse them abuse as a child, you know.
Yeah.
When them a take your house and car, you know. Yes,
Most
abuse.
of them when they went to turn over, their father raped them, their father-in-law raped them, their brother raped them.
No, to what is an extent? To what is an
Even
extent?
girl on this one.
Yeah, you know about the call on name. Me tell you the call on name.
For my friend, yeah man, my friend.
You know.
She don't hide enough she going. Father,
Yeah, remember me tell you, enough Jamaica, and this is what we talk. Even though Jamaica good life, want to make life better for people, we said to the woman them that's been hurt, we there for now. We come cook some food for you
yeah.
and take care of you when you come through. Palm Avenue and what is it name?
Lily Crescent.
Lily Crescent. I probably won't be here, so talk to Nick.
That's the woman.
I send everybody in pain to you. You're the Jesus, man. Nick will save you now. No man, like
Okay, we back up.
Pokey will back up and sing in the church. Pokey, say you go to church?
Sometimes we used to be Christian, you know.
Whoa. Nick, the name of Jesus, man, you can't say that in front of him.
No, I 7 years me do in church.
You used to be Christian.
If you left here now, and me tell them say you reach certain place, they not gonna believe you. You know what I say for?
So you're a visionary.
Yes.
You have the
man.
vision, you have the gift.
Yes, man.
It was when you were there.
Yes, man. That's why I know say her a blessing, man.
So you can predict the future.
And if my friend never dead, me know. But me don't know say I am.
Well, me go stay far from you.
Yes, man, me know. Yes, man. And if you don't come, me don't see you. Me don't see you for a long time. And me don't see you. My mind just run by you. So, whoops. Not even a second you done me for. Remember,
Me not like put more time, me not really like. Me not able for foot, you know.
You work with the
But me
hand.
work with the two. You work with the two.
Yes, man.
Me say box come,
God
box
give man a blessing, you know, man, where they can see things, you know. But
Yeah, man, you have it.
some of them pray different way. You understand? And some of them not use it up. Like me not really.
You know, use it up. You know, use the power.
Me see me come towards me.
Hey, when the robber the black come in, nobody that see it.
When you rock, when you
but that's serious.
let me ask you one question.
No, that's serious.
Yeah, well, I'll ask you one question. Where you end up before you get robbed? Bourbon. Where you down Bourbon? How you buy it? Listen.
Hey. If him have a white girl around him can't feel nothing, you know.
He feel it, but he ignore it.
Yeah?
He feel it and he ignore it.
Because I pay attention
Me I
to the
tell
other
him.
thing.
Yes.
Can't pay attention. The
He
spirit,
feel it.
hey, me know this.
Ignore it.
The spirit is with me strong too, you know.
Yeah, because the taxi man tap, you know. The taxi man tap for real for you know. Because you know, I feel we go in that car and I ignore you know. We say, oh, we not going in that taxi car, just this way up.
Ooh.
Yes, you're right.
While if you're going to
That taxi man tap in front of
You
you.
say if I'm going in a taxi, you're
Who
going
know
to
get
get robbed.
robbed?
I'm going to get robbed.
Who know get robbed?
Oh, me know.
We don't know. Yeah, true.
Yeah, man, because the feeling. If you don't follow your vibe, you know.
Just follow
You know what I say to you?
Yeah,
Me
man.
up as a state, me talk no, because I don't talk so much to dirty people. You know what I say? But I know everybody listen.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Every man.
Every man have the gift.